Would you like to earn $2,000 a month on Fiverr.com without actually doing the work? If your answer is yes, then keep watching. In this video, I'll show you how to get started, why this is one of the best business models to get started online for free, and what services to sell if you have no skills or previous experience. This will allow you to work from anywhere in the world using only a laptop and an internet connection. You could turn this into your full-time income or use this as a stepping stone to gain capital in order to go into other business ventures and create passive income for years to come. And if you stay into the end, I'll show you 2 hacks you need to multiply the speed of your results and stay way ahead of the competition. So make sure you stay on this video all the way into the end. Before that, if you like videos about making money online, e-commerce and entrepreneurship, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and tick the notification bell to join the Wi-Fi Cash family. So now, let's get back into today's video. Hey guys, this is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy. Today, I'm going to show you a really cool method of making money on Fiverr.com. So before we start, just to be clear, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There is work to be done and it will take a little bit of time, but I believe that this is a really good method for beginners first starting out, so that you can try and generate more income and you can invest that into other business ventures, or you can scale up this Fiverr gig full-time. So just for those who are not familiar with the actual site, Fiverr.com is a website that allows freelancers to offer their services from $5, but it ranges from $5 and it goes all the way up to, I've seen $600, but naturally that comes with experience and the more experience you have on the site, the higher you'll be able to charge basically. So if we just come down here, we can see that it's all set out in sections and subsections. So we have graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, basically any digital service that you can think of. So let's just go into articles and blog posts. And if we come down here and let's check one out. Okay, let's check this one out, just so we can get a feel of the layout. So we have the title here, we have the seller's name, the level, we'll go into that in a moment. We have the ratings and the reviews. So this seller currently has 6,120 reviews and 23 orders in queue. So over here we have the pricing structure. We have the basic, standard and their premium, and that is for 500 words, and you can type in here whatever words you want, and yeah, you can request custom orders and things of that nature. So this seller currently has 6,120 reviews, but as we know that in e-commerce and online sales with your customers, less than 30%, I would say 25 to 30% of your customers would leave a review. So their orders could be double or triple that amount. So let's just do a quick calculation. So let's just say that 6,120 orders times, let's just go $5, and that is $30,000. And I believe that is a really good income, even though that's just a rough estimate, because people could be paying $10, $15 or even more. This is for 1,500 to 1,600 words. So people really love using Fiverr.com because the ease of use. It's really easy to use. You can just log in and just connect with hundreds or even thousands of sellers on Fiverr.com. So if you just check Google Trends, we can see that in the last 5 years the search term results for Fiverr has, you could say, increased dramatically, and it's getting very popular, and I think right about now it's a really good time to get in. So you might be thinking to yourself now, so what could I sell and where do I get it from? So this method that I'm talking to you about is called digital arbitrage. It is basically a business method which enables you to become the middleman, so to say, between two parties. So I'll just try to explain it a little bit better with this small diagram that I created. So let's just imagine we have Jamal over here. He needs a 1,000 word essay for his niche website. So he's willing to pay $35 for this 1,000 word essay, or 1,000 word article. So we have over here, this is Matt. Matt is able to find someone else to write this 1,000 word article, and they're charging $10 for it. So Matt orders this article, receives this article, and then sends it back over to their original customer, and they keep the difference, which would be $25 profit. So this is just an example. Well, you might be thinking to yourself now, so where can I get these products from and how do I do it? So I'll just give you one example. So this is a website called SEO Clerks, SEOclerks.com. So it's similar to Fiverr. So a really good product which is popular on Fiverr is traffic. So this entails, traffic towards YouTube channels, websites, social media traffic, and all sorts. So if we come down here and we just, let's filter by ratings. Okay, so let's look for someone with a good rating. So this person looks good. So this person here is offering 2,500 visitors for $1. We can see the gig here, and they have other options as well. So 2,000 visitors for $1 in one day, and they have different options here. So let's go back to Fiverr and let's type in traffic. Okay, so we can see here people are sending traffic. They're charging $5, $25 for 1,500 traffic, $5, $25, $20. So there's all different types of listings here offering traffic. So what you do is that you make your listing similar to one of these listings and you promote it for $5. Once you get a sale, you come over to SEOclerks.com and purchase from the seller. And once you purchase from the seller, they'll ask you for a URL. If it's for a website or a page, you enter the customer's URL and they send the traffic. And it's simple as that. And the good thing about SEO Clerks is that these sellers will normally give you a good deal. So normally what they do is 2 for 1. So you might pay once and you get 2 services for the same price. So that's when you start getting more profit and you start optimizing. So you might say that, oh, it's only $4, but you keep repeating this day in, day out. You keep trying and hustling, and you move up the levels. So on Fiverr, it works on levels. They have a level system. So you have the beginner level, and then you have the level 1, and then you have a level 2 seller, and then you have the top rated seller. Where we want to get you is to the level 2 seller. This is a very realistic goal, and I believe that it is a very realistic goal for beginners to get into. So they have requirements to get into these, to get to this level. So basically you have a little badge next to your profile, and you would have to have completed 120 days as an active seller on Fiverr. So as I said before, it's not overnight. This is a business. You can grow it. It's not difficult. So it could take 3 months to get to this level 2 seller. Complete 50 orders, earn $2,000, which you'll be able to earn in no time. Just keeping your customers satisfied for 60 days and responding quickly to your customers. But once you reach a level 2 seller, you will see that your orders start to increase. Fiverr pushes you up in the rank, and every morning you wake up and you find 2-3 sales, and that is when you start snowballing. And the more sales you get, the more reviews you get, and it just snowballs, and hopefully you can create some good income. So if you remember earlier, I did tell you about 2 bonus tips to stay ahead of your competition. So the first bonus tip is using video as your gig instead of your gig picture. So if you look at this gig, he's offering a full SEO campaign for your website, and he's charging $75 for that, for his basic, $175 for his standard, and $250 for his premium. And he has a decent amount of orders in queue, and he has quite a lot of reviews. So instead of having a picture here, a plain picture, he has a video. So let's play this video.
Hey there guys, my name's Wayne Austin from Great Britain, and I'm a top-rated seller here on Fiverr.com. And my gig, which is offered to you exclusively on Fiverr.com.
Okay, so he's explaining his gig. So you're standing out from the rest of the competition. You're explaining your gig, you're showing your competency in the area, that your expertise, and you're showing that this is an exclusive gig only for Fiverr. So you're creating some type of urgency and exclusivity. The second tip is to offer a free bonus with your gig. So if you was to have created this gig, you would say, I will create a full SEO campaign for your website plus SEO bonus. So what is this bonus that I speak of? So you can come over to Google and type in traffic PLR, and you'll find many websites that offer private label rights products. So these are PDFs, courses, even softwares. And so if you looked for traffic PLR stuff, you'll find a lot of different courses and ebooks that you can offer, which is related to your gig. So if it was SEO, you'll type in SEO PLR products or traffic SEO products. So this one is for traffic. So you'll be able to download these. You can find a lot of free websites, and you can find some that are paid. So you would just offer this in your title plus free bonus. People love free things, so you offer this in your title. So plus free bonus plus free SEO bonus. So people really love free things, and you'll generate more sales and more interest in your profile and your gig. Now, if you're really excited about this strategy and you want to get started, but you would like some more information, or you want some more in-depth step-by-step information, there's an amazing course that you can find in the description. So if you click the link in the description, you'll come to this bonus page that I've created, which explains what the course is about and how it can benefit you. I have also created a video going through the actual back end of the course and the training. So it's a very good training, and you can come over here and check it out and see how it's structured with all the different videos and all the information that you get in here. And yes, it's a really good course. So once you're ready to purchase the course, you can come down here and read a little bit more about it. And not only are you going to receive the course, but if you purchase through any of these links on this page, I have prepared some bonuses for you to help you on the way. As I said earlier, that with these strategies, it's a really good way to build up your revenue and your capital, so that you can invest in different businesses such as affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and CPA marketing, things of that nature. So I've created a bundle here for you. So I've created the first bundle is a course called El Bandito, and El Bandito is a really good affiliate marketing course. It goes step by step, and this is a really good course once you want to get into different business models such as affiliate marketing. It's a really good course. So with that also, the second bonus is a piece of software that goes along and helps you with your affiliate marketing business by creating urgency on your sales pages. The third bonus is a small course which teaches you how to write catchy subject lines that actually sell. So this is really good for your business development. And in regards to Fiverr, I've included this last bonus, which is a top-rated seller secrets podcast. So it's a top-rated podcast. So before, when we spoke about the levels, the last level is the top-rated seller, and these people make a lot of money. They've made at least $20,000 on Fiverr, and a lot of them have made hundreds of thousands of dollars on there. So this is a really valuable thing right here. So once you've come and purchased the course, which is absolutely great value, so you receive the actual course, the Fiverrlicious course, and the last time I checked, at the time of this video, the course was literally £12, so that's around $10. So it's a bargain at the moment, but I can't guarantee that it will stay at that price. With that purchase, you receive the Fiverrlicious course and the 4 bonuses that I've exclusively prepared for you. So you receive the affiliate marketing course, the software, the course on copywriting, and also you will receive access to the top-rated podcast where he reveals all of his secrets that he's learned along the way. So once you're ready, you can click any of these buttons on here and it will take you to a Warrior Plus platform where you can purchase your course. And on here, just to show you that once you've purchased your course, it will give you a button here to access your affiliate bonuses. So once you've purchased the course, you'll receive all of these bonuses which are on the page. So thank you very much for watching this, and I'm sure you will really appreciate this course and you will benefit greatly from it. So if you want to check this bonus page out, the link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.